Now we are stepping into one of the most fascinating aspects of lie detection: leakage signals. This is where the truth doesn't come out directly, but it slips out in small, often unnoticed ways. Here's the core idea: the brain can control a lot, but not perfectly. When someone is being deceptive, they are actively managing their words, their expressions, and their behavior. But underneath that control, the truth still exists, and sometimes it leaks. These leaks are not dramatic, they are subtle, quick, and easy to miss if you are not paying attention. Let's break down how leakage happens. When a person lies, their brain is juggling multiple things: suppressing the truth, constructing a story, monitoring your reaction, controlling their behavior. That's a heavy load. And under that pressure, small moments of loss of control can occur. That's when leakage appears. One common form is verbal leakage. This can happen when a person accidentally says something that doesn't fully align with their story. It might be a small contradiction, a word choice that reveals more than intended, or a quick correction mid sentence. For example, they start saying something truthful, then immediately adjust it. Another form is emotional leakage. This is where micro expressions come into play. A person may try to appear calm or confident, but for a fraction of a second, their true emotion, fear, anger, or discomfort flashes on their face before being covered. You may also notice tone leakage. Even if the words are controlled, the voice may briefly reveal tension, a slight crack, a shift in pitch, or a momentary change in tone that doesn't match the message. Then there's behavioral leakage. This includes small physical signals: a sudden stillness or freeze, a quick self touch gesture, a brief posture shift. These are often very subtle, sometimes just a fraction of a second, but they can appear right at key moments. Now, here's something important: leakage often happens during high pressure points. When a direct question is asked, when the topic becomes sensitive, when the person feels close to being exposed, these are the moments where control is hardest to maintain. You might also notice incomplete control. For example, someone smiles, but the smile fades too quickly, or their expression changes slightly before they fully compose themselves. It's like the mask wasn't perfectly applied. But here's the key mindset: leakage signals don't shout, they whisper. You are not looking for obvious mistakes, you are looking for brief inconsistencies, quick flashes of emotion, tiny disruptions in flow, and most importantly, when they occur, because timing gives leakage its meaning. Now let's stay grounded. Leakage does not equal lying. It indicates that something is being suppressed or managed. That could be a lie, or it could be a stress, discomfort, or emotional sensitivity. So instead of jumping to conclusions, you treat leakage as a signal to explore further. Ask yourself, what just happened? What triggered that moment? Did other signals appear at the same time? Because when leakage combines with deviations, timing shifts, and language patterns, that's when the picture becomes clearer. And as you develop this skill, you will start noticing these small slips more often. Not because people are bad at lying, but because perfect control is extremely difficult. And in those tiny moments where control breaks, even briefly, the truth has a way of showing itself.